Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to secure your Ambire Wallet account on PC. Ambire Wallet is designed with strong security features, but your safety also depends on how you manage your password, recovery freeze, device security and transaction approval. So in this guide I'll walk you step by step through how to properly secure your Ambire Wallet on PC and protect your digital assets from unauthorized access. First, open to any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top right go to this extension and open to your Ambire Wallet here. Once you reach into this interface, go to this top right corner of the three-line icon here and go to this general. Over here, you can also lock your Ambire wallet by selecting lock, enter your password and select unlock here. Over here, also if you want to auto lock your device, you can set a timer after which the Ambire wallet will be automatically locked here. Select to this, you can do it for the 7 days, a day, 8 hours, an hour, or for the 10 minutes as well. You can also go to this home dashboard and check the amount, confirm the network, verify the recipient address if you're sending any of this crypto here. Make sure you trust the app and never blindly upload transaction as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.